In February, INEOS made headlines by announcing that they are to invest over £1 billion into their UK assets, ensuring they remain world-class for a generation. The biggest investment will be the modernisation of the Forties Pipeline system in the North Sea. Opened in 1975, the 500-kilometre pipeline transports up to 600,000 barrels of North Sea oil every day to onshore refineries. INEOS's investment of £550 million will see safety and reliability overhauled, bringing in state-of-the-art technology and prolonging the FPS into the 2040s.
The Forties Pipeline system is the primary transport route for oil and gas from the North Sea. It's very low cost because it's a pipeline system rather than ships or other methods. It's the safest system, and what it will do is that these investments will modernise, will reduce costs, will be more energy efficient, and simply will still be able to offer our customers the best option to stabilise and bring their oil and gas ashore.
At the Grangemouth site, a £350 million investment will allow for the development of a new combined heating and power plant. This, alongside a number of other energy improvements, will make the site cleaner and more energy efficient.
It's a new energy plant which will supply the site for decades to come. State-of-the-art technology, improved environmental performance, and what we're actually talking about is actually a huge vote of confidence into Scottish manufacturing and into Scotland in the long term.
A further £150 million is being invested to develop and build a vinyl acetate monomer, or VAM, plant at the INEOS site in Hull. VAM is a key component in the production of products such as paints and adhesives. This investment will give the Hull site the capacity to produce up to 300,000 tonnes of VAM every year.
In the UK, there's 75,000 tonnes a year of demand for VAM, which all has to be imported at the moment. If you go to continental Europe, there's hundreds of thousands of tonnes a year of demand, which at the moment has to come from the United States, from Asia, from the Middle East. That's a gap that we intend to plug.
There's a real buzz in the air. The whole business community is talking about it. We were inundated with calls. It's a great thing for Hull. It's great to hear of all the new jobs we're going to create, and also it's very exciting for INEOS.